everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to get wide angle camera on Snapchat. So open the Snapchat application and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you are logged in into the Snapchat, what you need to do to get that wide camera feature on Snapchat allows you to take a wider angle using your back facing camera. So what you can do to get that is you tap on the plus icon from the option available on the top right side of their camera screen or the phone screen. Tap that. Here you will have all the feature and there you will find a option ultra wide. You can tap that and you will be able to get a wider range of picture. As I do not have that feature on my phone device because I do not have a camera lens that can do the wide range pictures. This is the one way how you can do this. The other is you can see the option available in the top right section of your screen. There you might be able to find a icon looking like a circle with arrow on left and right side. You just tap that and you will be able to get that wider range of picture on Snapchat. You can also use two fingers to pinch in or pinch out, that is zoom in or zoom out toward the center of your device screen, which will also give you the option of getting a wider range of that photo on Snapchat. This feature is only available to the iPhone or the latest version of phone that have the feature of getting a wider range of picture through the camera lenses. If you do not have that updated phones or you might not be able to use this feature on Snapchat. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.